it's bright in my eyeballs. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Beautiful sunny morning today. Hopefully a bit of a quicker ride in compared to yesterday. It was awfully boring and it took fucking ages. So hopefully we'll miss some of the traffic, you know. Been watching a lot of videos of people riding around on the 40th anniversary BMW GS 1250, or the R1250 GS, or whatever it's officially called. I think that was in 2021, I think, is the 40th anniversary, but for some reason on my YouTube it's been suggested a lot recently that I watch them, so I have been. I love the look of a GS, I really do. There's a few at the bike night the other night, which should be coming out on the weekend, hopefully, if I get my arse in gear. Yeah, they're at the bike night, and there's a few there, like a fair few. You know, classic dad bike and all. They're just so clean and so like perfected. It's amazing. They look nice. They're apparently amazing to use as a daily and everything else. And you just see them everywhere, so they've got to be fucking good because so many people have them. The Tiger 800 guy again. Oh, what did I just get? Something just fucking stabbed into my tyre pretty decently. They've got to be good just because of their, you know, the reputation and how many people actually have them. They're one of the best selling bikes, aren't they? Like all the time or something stupid. Yeah, they've got to be good. I have ridden one, the R1200 GS, the slightly older 2019 one, and honestly it was amazing. It was a really good experience. I really enjoyed it. It was comfortable, it was fast, and it didn't feel as heavy as it looks. They look really fucking heavy. I would like a GS. I just don't know if it's a sensible next bike because they are quite expensive and the costs of owning them are higher than, you know, higher than your average Japanese bikes like your Hondas and your, or at least that's what I'm made to believe. I don't actually know that as a fact. I think that's the ultimate mile munching machine though, isn't it, really, a GS? Or an Africa Twin, similarly nice bikes. They do the same sort of thing. I feel like the Africa Twin's a little bit more off-road focused, which is nice, I like that. It's good styling, it's more Dakar look. And the GS is more of a tourer for all sorts. Right, just go for this guy now. I would consider one. I don't like the older models that much. I think the newer ones are very nice looking bikes. They're very angular and very, you know, they're nice. I just can't really get my head behind anything 2018 or older. I just don't like the shape of them that much. Yeah, I just can't get my head around the old shape. They're alright, I suppose. I'd probably love owning one, but I don't know. For the money, because they hold their money quite well, GS's. For the money you could get an older GS with the relatively high miles, like 25 plus K, 30k. You could probably get a used Africa Twin for almost the same money. And it's newer, nicer looking. I know what I would go for. Try and get a video up for Sunday is my plan. I mean, it should already be out by the time you're seeing this because this is going to be a Monday video. Yeah, I want to put some miles down one weekend. I want to go do something silly, like go to France or something and ride for as far as I can, for as long as I can. Mud on the road. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of Dan the Fireman on YouTube. His crash report videos and his like reviews of people's accidents and whatever. And I think it's been doing me some good. I've been behaving a bit more on a motorbike. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Rider. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week and have had a good weekend. And I'll chat to you guys in the next episode. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and like, all the usual stuff. And I will see you when I see you in the next episode. Peace out.